What is up guys? So are you looking for the best budget microphone for YouTube and vlogging? Well, today I got you the Rode Micro. Let's go! Alright guys, so once again I checked online for what is the best budget microphone that is like perfect for me, like it's portable, that it can be used for vlogging and the quality is very good. So I came up with the Rode VideoMicro. So this is it. This is the box. It just arrived today, so I just wanted to capture like my unboxing reaction to it and also give you all some bit of review just in case you guys are buying this mic as well. So let's go ahead and open it. I did check it when it arrived, but I didn't really fully see it, so I'm gonna open it right now. Okay, so the reason why I bought like a mic, whoa, it's cool. Okay, the reason why I bought a mic is that your brain processes audio first then video. So for making video, audio is quite important. So this looks really cool, right? So this is the box. I think the mic is inside there. So first let's see what's on the box. It has a 2-year warranty. There's no battery required. It has a compact size. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Woo. Alright, so what is this? The whole thing is actually a dead cat. What is a dead cat is that when you record video in windy situation and there's like this noise, so this will totally cut all of those noise if you use this. Let's see what's inside here. This is the actual mic, right? So let's check out on the other stuff. This is the shock mount. Alright, this is the shock mount, is so that you can mount the camera on here, and it has like a, I think this 1/4 inch screw, so you can mount it onto a camera stand and to prevent like shocks to your mic, so that there's no register shocks like boop, boop, boop sound. And you got your wire. It looks pretty cool, it looks pretty dope. It's in red color. Yep. So you connect one side to your phone, your audio jack, and another side to the camera or your phone. Okay, so that's basically it. Let me see what's underneath here. It's like a nice small little manual guide on how to use it. Not bad. Protect your VideoMicro, register online for 2-year warranty. Alright. That's basically it. So this is the mic, just to show it to you more clearly. Yeah, so this is the mic. Alright, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test out the audio quality of this mic right now. Alright guys, so this is recorded using the mic on my laptop. So this is the audio without using the Rode Micro. What is up guys, so I'm currently testing out the mic and seeing how does it fare when I've set up the mic properly. I'm a bit sick, by the way, if you're wondering what's the mask all about. Alright, so currently I've listened to all 3 audios, and definitely the Rode Micro is able to isolate out all the surrounding noise when recording. That's like a huge advantage when especially you want to record anything in any environment, how noisy it is. You can just use this mic and you just cancel all the noise. Hey guys, so I just want to test out the dead cat capability. So I have a fan at the side here, and once I turn on the fan, probably the audio is going to be pretty bad. So I'm going to on like number 2 here, and you're probably not going to hear my voice until I put on the dead cat. I already tested it out earlier, okay, this feature. And totally cannot hear my audio at all.
through the wind. So I was saying whether you can hear my voice through the wind. So right now with the dead cat in, you're probably gonna hear it much better, right? So that is the feature of the dead cat. When there's like wind, when there's like high wind blowing outside, you can actually hear your audio crisp and clean, just like you would hear with a real ear. So that's like the one good feature of this mic, that it comes with a dead cat or windscreen. Alright, it's also called a windscreen. Okay, so hit the like button if you enjoyed this review and unboxing video of this Rode Micro, and let me know what you think of the quality of the audio through the comment section. Subscribe to this channel if you aren't already. There's tons of stuff here on this channel, random stuff, there's DJing stuff, there's interior design, and there's also unboxing videos. So if you do enjoy this kind of stuff, do subscribe. Till then, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.